Hello everybody, Joe Malone here from Dallas Trading Floor. Well, it's day 2 of the 5-day NVDA trade. NVDA pulled back significantly today, but I want to show you the progress that we're making on this trade. One of the nice things about a covered call is that it protects you from the downside, and definitely we had some downside today. Currently, by my calculations, I'm up about $892 on this trade in about 2 days. Now, what we did on Friday, right after the market closed, we placed a trade right before the market closed, buying 100 shares of NVIDIA and then selling a call, a February 9th call. So basically, this has a 5-day run. And the way that worked is currently the price of the option is up a little bit, you can see. So that becomes negative because we sold it for $13.29, and you multiply that times 100. That's about the premium that we got. And currently it's moved up to $26.55. But if we look at the price of the shares, they've also moved up again, and we have about $8.92 if we were to close the trade right now. As you can see with the NVIDIA chart, we were moving up. We moved up very, very strongly, up to almost 700 yesterday, and now we're pulling back. This happens commonly when the stock gets ahead of itself, and this is one of the reasons why I like to use covered calls so much. You'll notice it came way up. Goldman Sachs gave it a very much of a buy rating up to 800. That's what they're saying about Goldman Sachs. So it zoomed up yesterday and it's pulling back, basically pulling back to equilibrium, which I think is right about the 670 mark. If you look at the trade so far, this is how I entered it. I entered it buying, the purchase price was $6.60 a share. I bought 100 of those, and then I immediately wrote the 9th February 660 call for $13.30. And based on that, this is the payout chart that we have now. Now, currently the price of the shares are up here a little bit higher that you can see. So we're right basically in this area. And as we move forward, if we stay above basically this mark here, if we stay above about 660, we will make all the money. In this case, it's $13.25, which is a significant amount of income on a very, very small position. I'm going to try to update everybody on how I'm doing on this trade, basically tomorrow through Friday. And you can see all these little videos at www.dallastradingfloor.com. And I'm going to show you exactly how I'm making progress on this trade. Hope to see you there, and I'll be checking in with you tomorrow. Happy trading.